Good morning, Ma'am and Sir. I am Eileen Gonzaga Manook, 42 years old, born on May 17, 1982. I am married. I have 2 kids. The older is 15 years old and the younger is 12 years old. I have 9 years working overseas, mainly Oman and Hong Kong. I can do household chores, cooking, cleaning, washing clothes, and especially babysitting. I am honest, trustworthy, and a good attitude. If you are going to hire me, I promise to finish my contract with excellent experience. Thank you and good luck.